Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here now to decorate in my October spread in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner, and I'll be using some leaves that I released in my September new release. So I've got the red leaves, orange, yellow, green, and I may use some of the green ink splatters as well. Let's get started. So my monthly spread is basically used as social media planning, and I kind of want to make this one fun because I mean it's fall, things are changing, and I'm gonna kind of do like a backwards rainbow, kind of going from the green, yellow, orange all the way to the red. I'm gonna do that at the bottom here with a mix of the leaves. Yeah, so if you're not familiar with this, I use my monthly spread as my social media planner. And I think what's going to happen come 2025 is that this will actually change. I won't be using this one. Well, surprise, surprise, I'm not using any Sterling ink for 2025, which was a surprise to me because I said in my 2025 planner thoughts video that I would be using Sterling ink, and then things changed, as things do, and I'm okay with that. You know, such is life. Oh, there goes my printer. But such is life, plans change. I'm excited to share with you all what my planner lineup is going to be for 2025 because it's different than what I've had in the past. And yeah, I'm excited to share that and then to actually get started with it. So I'm just placing all of these leaves down at the bottom, kind of creating that fall scene going from the green all the way to the red. Have I used all of them? Let's use this one. And then I'm going to place them at the top as well, or throughout the spread. There we go. Oh, I really like that so far. That's really pretty. Then I'm going to somehow spread this out around the spread. But how am I going to do that? Because I still need space to be able to write in everything. So maybe start with this big green one along the top of October. And I don't mind covering it just because it's clear matte sticker paper, so you'll still be able to see. And then maybe here, I still have room to write down my Instagram posts and such. But then the rest are going to be a little bit harder to put around. That's okay. And then this one maybe across a couple of pages. Yeah, I could do that. And then that way, I'm afraid of ripping these. Yeah, put them across. No, don't go down. Oh, I feel like I can't use my fingers by doing this. Okay. Oops. I mean, even if but that's too close to the bottom and that's too close to that one. Okay, so let's move that. And just put the sticker down. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this back here so I know where that goes. Okay, then orange. Place one at the top here. And then I think I'm gonna put one red around here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and write in what I need to, and then we'll figure out if I need to put the rest somewhere else. Although I feel like there's a spot up here that I could put something, maybe maybe like coming down like this. Yeah, and then I'll cut off the rest there. It's actually not much to cut off. Okay, so let's move these, and then I use these Memo Me sticky notes basically to help me pre-plan my social media. And I like being able to see my social media all in one space like this. So the pen that I was going to use was my Esterbrook SD in Honeycomb, and this has Pilot Iroshizuku Inaho in it at the moment, which doesn't necessarily match with anything here, but I am totally okay with that. So I'm just going in and writing IG and YouTube, so Instagram and YouTube every day in the month. I don't post every day in the month, but this just gives me a good overall picture of where I'd like to place certain videos and photos and help plan out the month for myself. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and filled it in as well with the videos that I know are going to be in here. So there's still a few spots where I need to fill in, but I do know that there's certain things that have to go in there. Like there's a new ink video that I'm gonna have to do. I might switch those around. We'll see. I might actually do the ink video there. And then that means switching things around, which I'm okay with, because the whole point of this, or maybe I just, you know what, I can do the Anderillium inks here, and then there's still spots, a few spots that I can add a few things to as well. All right, now it looks a bit like it's just decorative with a few spots for things. And if you see down this side here, I've also written down which stickers that I want to use. This for me, and I mean, this doesn't work for everyone, but for me, it works well because then I can shop my stash of stickers and make sure I'm actually using the stickers that I have. And I'm not placing too many orders for more stickers because I already have lots. So now that I have most of the stuff that's in here, then I can add a few more of these stickers down. And really, it's more just for fun now. Like using these stickers is more, it's just for funner. Does anyone recognize that from Legally Blonde? Except for funner. Okay. I feel like this one's big, and I don't know. Like the orange, I feel like does need to go down somewhere, but maybe this is me just playing around now with stickers. And sometimes it's just fun to be able to do that. Ooh, maybe I should put some up along the top here. And I'll cut that off after. And then put the remaining yellow one down up there too. Yeah, sometimes it's not always about what's functional. Sometimes it's just about having fun and putting the stickers down. And I need scissors. I always need scissors and never have them close by. So I'm going to do it like this. And then place one here. Oh, finger stuck. And then the other one here. And I know it looks busy, but I'm okay with that because I just want to use up the stickers that I've got. Oh, that's pretty. Then, so that's empty. That's empty. And then I might just leave that. And then the red is good. It almost feels like it needs something there, like for the green. So maybe I'll put a bit of an ink splatter there. I know some people are gonna be like, it's too much. Meh, it's fine. I like it. And at the end of the day, I'm the one who's gonna end up looking at this and enjoying it for what it is. I might just leave that. Then, oh, where did that go? Then I feel like there's something that needed here, but you know what? Let's just leave that. It's just a fun way to use up all those stickers. Because why not? Because where else am I going to use them right now? Okay, All right, quick plan with me for how I use my monthly spread as a social media planner. And I have really enjoyed being able to use this for social media, but also for planning out my planner. And how do you guys use your monthly? I used to have a place, and actually I'll show you, in my previous, or the January to June Sterling A5 Common Planner, I used to have a page in the daily spread where I could do the daily, like the monthly for the currently and all that, but I don't have enough space in here. So I'm thinking that's what I've been using this page for, but I haven't really. So keeping my currently inked here. It didn't do that in September, but may do that October, November, December. So still trying to find where I can put that currently, you know, what I've read and things like that. And I think that's also part of the exploration with planners as well, is trying to find places to put that. But for me, the monthly spread is where I do my social media, because for me, it's the best visual. That may change in 2025. In 2025, depending on what I use as an everyday planner, which I already know what I'm using, the monthly spread is going to be both social media and for pre-planning, so booking ahead of any appointments and things. All right, but that was a whole other tangent, and I will go into that in another video. Thank you all so much for watching. I know this was a little bit haphazard, but this was just fun to just place stickers on the page and just decorate. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.